Yes.
Can I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Please be seated. Your name is?
Sharmila, sir.
Number?
58, sir.
Tell me about yourself.
Hello, sir. I am Sharmila, currently pursuing BTECH third year in ANITS college in information technology. I am from Visakhapatnam. I have a decent CGPA until now, and I also have a good remarks in my college, inter-college and the school also. I am actually interested in front-end development, aspiring for the software engineer role. So I do develop for different projects related to front-end and UI designing. I do possess leadership qualities and management as a critic of curriculum and I also work led my team in two projects in the high. Yeah.
What are your career goals?
So my career goal is to have a stable lifestyle, which is like financially getting stable and socially too. Running my dream life.
What is the difference between front end and back end development?
Front end development is which we see, which is developed, sir. The back end development is a work which happens behind it. The working of the app or website or something is being viewed in the front end development.
I think as you mentioned, you are passionate about front end development. Yes. And you also mentioned about leadership.
Yes, sir.
So, are you a team leader or a team player?
Team leaders.
Can you talk about how you are a leader?
Sir, I have an experience as a leader because I have led my team with two projects in two hackathons. I personally go to everyone and I encourage them to speak and share their opinions about the project we do or any ideas they have, and I try to encourage them, sir.
What kind of team members you want?
Who are dedicated, dedicated and if they are they be introverts also, that's okay, sir. I'll encourage them and make them try to do the work, but they have to be dedicated towards the work they have to do.
What is more important for a leader, whether character or skills?
Characters.
No need a skill.
Skills, if they have skills in a medium range also, they can learn from their teammates. Character is the most important.
More important.
Yes. That's
Yeah.
why
How do you, as a leader, how do you handle difficult circumstances?
through negotiations, with the team members or the management who are trying to talk to me about the issue or something, I'll negotiate them with them in a good way. For example, if we got any issue about the timing of submission of the project, I'll try to talk to them, explaining the issues we have faced while developing the project or something.
If somebody, your team members comment on you, it happens every day.
Yes.
In every organization. So how do you handle such kind of people?
Actually, people feel bad listening to all those kinds of words. But I personally leave them and I'll try to concentrate on my work.
No, that's not enough. What will you do?
Okay.
If the comment might be right, you might have done wrong, then how do you react towards them?
If I did wrong, I'll try to rectify it and show them the correct results to them, sir. That can be a good answer to them.
Okay, by doing some good thing and you want to give you want to respond to the people.
Like if I have an idea to do this in this way, if they have criticized me, like for me doing that in that way, I'll do that in that way and show the great results I have offered to them. So that can be a good answer for that. Right?
Okay, which company you want to work?
I want to work in Google.
Google. Can you talk about Google?
Yes, sir. Google is a well.
What do you know about Google?
Google is a well-reputed company, sir. Almost all software engineers wanna their dream company is Google, sir. Actually, with a good work-life balancing environment and good packages.
How do you know the difference among all companies?
Like I heard from the employees who are working in there, sir. I got in touch with them.
People who is working, people who are working with Google are related.
Yes, sir.
Like,
My brother, sir.
who is your role model?
My role model is my cousins are actually like I always get inspiration from her, like the way she work and how she tackle the problems. Like I used to be with her for
What
many
motivates
years.
you to join IT as a career?
My passion towards building like websites and software development.
What are your favorite projects that you are passionate about?
Okay. I mean, like, do you mean that the past projects what would which I did?
Yes, of course, you have done some projects
Yes.
on various topics.
Yes.
What's your future favorite future projects?
Favorite future projects with, like, I wanna build a website which is so interactive to the kids, attracting kids to learn something or like narrating stories and all that kind of website I wanna create.
How do you balance professional life and personal life?
Professional and personal life, giving enough time to both, sir. Like if I had to do some work, I'll completely dedicate my time to it, complete it in a less time than required, and then I'll go back to the professional, like personal life.
Okay, is ethical hacking necessary?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Nowadays, hacking is the ethical hacking is a booming thing, sir. Like hacking is the thing which affects the people. Like ethics are needed in hacking, sir. Like we are seeing day to day, like the banking sectors, the accounts are being hacked and doing all those kind of bad things. Ethics is needed. Ethics is much important in hacking, sir.
What is the role played by software developer?
We all know that software engineering is a booming thing right now. Everything around us is software, sir. Like if we are using mobile phones, right? The apps in those and day to we are actually so connected to them, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Can you work under pressure?
Yes, sir. I think I can work more under pressure, sir. Like I had an experience that tomorrow is the submission, and today we just completed half of the project. With that pressure in my mind, I along with my teammates has completed the work overnight.
I think you might have done one project.
Yes.
Yeah. Could you please talk about the project?
Okay. Actually, we did a
What is the objective of the project?
object of the project is like building a visual experiments where people can where students can learn things. Like we developed an AR app in a hackathon which will be helpful to kids to learn experiments related to physics, chemistry and geography, space and all. Like we integrated 3D objects to that so that they can visually learn the things. Like visual can be so good to get interacted with that, sir. So we developed it using 3D models.
What are the emerging technologies that you believe will shape the future generations?
Nowadays, AI is the most booming thing, sir. AI, ML, and then cloud computing too, sir. Which is integrated with AI, like storing the data, births of data, and virtual reality, sir. Virtual reality and augmented reality is also.
Could you please briefly talk about cloud computing?
Yes, sir. Cloud computing is a thing where, like, it's not seen, it's just a computer, it's considered as a cloud, where we can store the data, like bulks of amounts of data and different servers. We can lend the servers from them and we can use them. And it, like, if a project is developed, it has to be maintained. Like, without effort of us, we can give that to the servers which are in the cloud, they'll maintain themselves.
How do you define a meaningful life?
Meaningful life is being happy is a meaningful life. Being happy and satisfied with oneself is the meaningful life.
Okay. So, why should I hire you?
With my capabilities related to the front end, I think I can contribute my 100% towards your company's works or projects which were assigned to me, and work dedicated to like contribute something to your company.
Okay, last question. Because you want to work with Google.
Yes.
So that I want to know about how do you have an idea about your CEO of Google. What do you know about CEO? What did you learn from CEO message?
Actually,
Who is the CEO of Google? What did you take the inspiration from the Google CEO Sundar Pichai?
I mostly get inspired from him, according with his dedication towards the dedication and passion towards company's growth. Like being IIT student, he himself dedicated himself to the working of the company and got into it.
What are your salary expectations?
Um, okay, around 10 LPs.
Wish you all the best. We'll inform you later.
Thank you.